When it comes to nail wraps, there is a good way and a bad way to file them down. So I'm going to go through that with you real quick. First off, I have all of my nail wraps on. I personally will fold it over, bend it down a little bit, straighten it out, and you always want to go at an angle. I'm going like this, down, not straight on, but more at like a 45-degree underneath, and then go down the sides, one direction, and it's very close. So just like that. If you go side to side like this, it can actually put some of the dusting underneath the wrap, and then you might not get a very good seal around the edge. So you want to just go one direction there, one direction on this side, go back down, and voila, comes right off. Sometimes with glitters, it may take a little bit more effort, only because glitter is thicker, but again, go down at around a 45-degree angle, go one direction. I go from the outside in, and this side too. From the outside in toward the middle, back down. And if you have a little bit that's still attached there, just keep going back over it. Make sure you have a good nail file, either the glass ones or a good basic emery board works. There we go. It comes right off. And it doesn't leave any jagged edges. And that's how you do that. All right, and I'll show you what not to do on my thumb. So don't go at a 45-degree angle like this, because then you're exposing the tip of the nail and it's actually pulling the wrap away from the tip of the nail. That's why you always want to go underneath to keep that. If you go like this on top, you can already see a little bit of the white part of the nail. That's not good. And like I said before, don't go side to side like this. If you do that, see the little shavings, the little filings? That will actually get underneath the wrap. And this, it does move until it has set for a little while. So those little filings will actually get in between there, between the wrap and your nail, and affect the adhesiveness. It won't make it quite as effective. Again, so go at a 45, try and go under as much as you can. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.